The Mountain is You, Transforming Self-Sabotage into Self-Mastery by Brianna Wiest is a thought-provoking guide on recognizing and overcoming self-sabotage to achieve personal growth and self-mastery. Wiest explores how internal struggles manifest as obstacles in our lives and provides strategies for transforming these challenges into opportunities for growth. Here's a concise summary of the key points and themes from the book. Introduction. Brianna Wiest begins by introducing the concept that the biggest obstacles in our lives are often self-created. These mountains of self-sabotage prevent us from reaching our full potential. The book aims to help readers understand and overcome these internal barriers to transform their lives. Key concepts. 1. Understanding self-sabotage. Wiest explains that self-sabotage is a form of self-protection rooted in fear and unresolved trauma. It manifests as behaviors and thoughts that prevent us from achieving our goals. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. 2. The psychology of self-sabotage. The book delves into the psychological reasons behind self-sabotage, including fear of failure, fear of success, and the comfort of the familiar. Wiest emphasizes that these behaviors are often unconscious and driven by deep-seated beliefs about our worth and capabilities. 3. Building self-awareness. Developing self-awareness is crucial for overcoming self-sabotage. Wiest encourages readers to reflect on their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to identify patterns of self-sabotage. This awareness allows for conscious decision-making and change. 4. Embracing change and discomfort. Change is inherently uncomfortable, and resisting it can lead to self-sabotage. Wiest argues that embracing discomfort is essential for growth. By pushing through discomfort, we can break old habits and form new, healthier ones. 5. Transforming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the negative thoughts and assumptions that hold us back. Wiest provides strategies for challenging and reframing these beliefs. By adopting a growth mindset, we can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. 6. Emotional resilience and self-compassion. Building emotional resilience involves accepting and processing our emotions rather than avoiding them. Wiest stresses the importance of self-compassion, encouraging readers to treat themselves with kindness and understanding, especially during difficult times. 7. Setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care. Healthy boundaries are essential for protecting our well-being and preventing self-sabotage. Wiest highlights the importance of self-care practices that nurture our physical, emotional, and mental health. 8. Goal setting and taking action. Clear, achievable goals provide direction and motivation. Wiest advises setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Taking consistent action, no matter how small, builds momentum and leads to progress. 9. Harnessing the power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires. Wiest suggests using visualization techniques to create a mental image of success, which can boost confidence and motivation. 10. Embracing the journey. Personal growth is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Wiest encourages readers to embrace the process, celebrating small victories and learning from setbacks. Patience and perseverance are key to overcoming self-sabotage and achieving self-mastery. Conclusion. The Mountain is You by Brianna Wiest is a transformative guide to understanding and overcoming self-sabotage. By developing self-awareness, embracing discomfort, challenging limiting beliefs, and prioritizing self-care, readers can turn their internal obstacles into opportunities for growth. Wiest's practical advice and insights empower readers to transform their lives and achieve self-mastery.